Google Mobility Data, downloading Google Mobility Data. The Google Mobility Dataset is currently available for download, albeit for a limited time. However, I've also uploaded a snapshot of the data for you to use in this course. We can download this data by going to the following URL. As you can see, the website is pretty simple. There are 6 keys. We will go back to this at a later point because I want these icons as well as the colors, but we will do that when we are assembling our dashboard. The key here is if you scroll down, you can find the global CSV. This will be our dataset. So may as well click download to start the process. It's about 200 to 300 megabytes of pure CSV data. You could also download the regional CSVs if you want to. However, let's look at the output that Google currently gives you. So in my case, I'm going to select the United Kingdom. Feel free to select your own country. And this is the current report. And again, the report is based on the data that hopefully you're downloading now. The key things that we have are values. So we have our breakdown by retail recreation, supermarket and pharmacy, parks, public transport, workplace and residential. This also gives us a breakdown by city. So it's pretty comprehensive. Do explore and get a feel of this data. We are going to be paying homage and using some of these visualizations in our work, but the key thing here is instead of having single PDFs, we are going to have a fully interactive dashboard. So with that said and done, once your data is downloaded, let's move on to the next lesson. Otherwise, while the data is downloading, do have a look at the different dashboards that they have and have some fun with this. However, see you in the next lesson.